There comes a point in life when you stop trying to win every argument, explain every emotion, or prove your worth to people who were never willing to understand you in the first place. Most people never reach that point. They spend their lives reacting, defending, shouting into the noise of a world that rewards attention but quietly destroys peace. The Stoics understood something dangerous about human nature. The person who controls their emotions controls the situation, and the person who masters silence masters themselves. We live in a culture that encourages constant reaction. Someone insults you, you respond instantly. Someone doubts you, you rush to prove them wrong. Someone misunderstands you, you waste hours trying to explain yourself. But the more emotionally reactive a person becomes, the more power they unknowingly hand over to everyone around them. This is why silence is not weakness. Silence is restraint. Silence is emotional discipline. Silence is the ability to remain composed while others lose control of themselves. Marcus Aurelius once wrote that a man's peace depends on the quality of his thoughts, not the chaos around him. That idea becomes painfully relevant in the modern world because today, noise is everywhere. Social media trains people to seek validation from strangers. Modern conversations have become competitions instead of connections. Even relationships are filled with ego, performance, and emotional manipulation. In a world addicted to speaking, the rarest thing has become self-control. One of the most important moments to embrace silence is when you are criticized unfairly. Most people become defensive immediately because criticism attacks the ego, and the ego always wants to protect itself. But Stoicism teaches that not every accusation deserves a response. Sometimes people insult you because they are frustrated with their own lives. Sometimes they misunderstand you because they only see the version of you that fits their assumptions. And sometimes they provoke you simply because they want a reaction. The moment you react emotionally, they gain control over your state of mind. Imagine a man who remains calm while everyone around him becomes emotional. That calmness creates an invisible form of authority. People begin to realize that he cannot be controlled through anger, shame, or pressure. This is why silence often unsettles insecure people. They expect emotional reactions because emotional people are predictable, but a silent mind is difficult to manipulate. Epictetus taught that we cannot control what happens to us, but we can control how we respond. That single principle can transform every relationship in your life. The next time someone disrespects you, notice the impulse to defend yourself immediately. Notice how your emotions rush forward before your mind has time to think clearly. Most regret in life is born in these moments of emotional urgency. People destroy friendships, relationships, careers, and reputations because they lacked the patience to remain silent for a few seconds longer. Silence becomes even more powerful when dealing with arrogant people. Almost everyone has encountered someone who constantly boasts about money, status, achievements, or attention from others. These people are usually not confident. Truly confident people rarely need to advertise themselves. Insecure people speak loudly because they are trying to convince themselves of their own importance. The Stoics understood that competing with these people is a trap, because once you enter the competition, you become emotionally invested in validation too. There is enormous strength in quietly observing without feeling the need to prove your value. A man who knows his worth does not panic when others try to outshine him. He understands that real confidence is calm, not theatrical. And over time, people naturally begin to trust the person who speaks with intention instead of constantly seeking attention. Another moment where silence becomes life-changing
is during anger. Anger is one of the most destructive emotional forces because it temporarily blinds reason. In moments of rage, intelligent people become foolish. Calm people become reckless. Good people say things they can never take back. This is why the Stoics treated anger almost like a form of temporary madness. Seneca warned that anger often punishes us more than the original problem itself. Think about how many people destroy years of trust over a few minutes of uncontrolled emotion. A single emotional reaction can permanently alter the course of a relationship or career. Yet most anger fades quickly if given enough time. Silence creates that time. Silence interrupts emotional momentum. It gives reason a chance to return before damage is done. Picture yourself after a long, exhausting day when someone pushes your patience too far. Every instinct tells you to react immediately, but instead, you pause. You let the silence absorb the emotion before it escapes through your words. That moment may look insignificant from the outside, but internally, it is a form of mastery. Most people are controlled by emotion. Very few people can observe emotion without obeying it. Silence also becomes essential during periods of loss. Loss changes people because it forces them to confront how little control they truly have over life. The death of someone you love, the end of a relationship, betrayal from someone you trusted deeply, or even the quiet realization that life did not become what you imagined can leave a person emotionally disoriented. During these moments, many people desperately search for distractions because silence forces them to face pain directly. But Stoicism teaches that pain is not something to run from. Pain is part of being human. Avoiding it only prolongs suffering. Real healing begins when a person sits quietly with their emotions instead of constantly escaping them. There is wisdom hidden inside grief, because grief reveals what truly mattered to us. And although silence cannot remove pain, it can help transform pain into understanding. The modern world fears silence because silence exposes reality. When there is no distraction, no scrolling, no noise, no external validation, people are finally left alone with themselves. That is why so many people constantly need stimulation. They are not escaping boredom, they are escaping self-confrontation. There is also a quiet power in refusing to argue with ignorance. One of the most exhausting experiences in life is trying to reason with someone who is emotionally committed to misunderstanding you. Logic rarely changes people whose identity depends on being right. The Stoics understood this deeply. Not every battle deserves your energy. Sometimes wisdom means recognizing when silence is more intelligent than explanation. Galileo Galilei faced humiliation, criticism, and rejection simply for speaking truths people were emotionally unwilling to accept. History repeatedly shows that society often resists uncomfortable truth before eventually accepting it. This is why emotional maturity requires the ability to tolerate misunderstanding without becoming consumed by bitterness.
Rumors are another test of emotional discipline. False stories spread quickly because people are naturally attracted to drama. When rumors appear, most individuals panic and desperately try to defend themselves publicly. But excessive self-defense often creates the appearance of guilt or insecurity. Stoicism teaches that reputation is built slowly through consistent behavior, not emotional reactions. Over time, people observe patterns more than explanations. Your actions eventually speak louder than accusations.
A calm person, focused on purpose, becomes difficult to damage because their identity no longer depends entirely on public opinion. This does not mean becoming emotionally numb or passive. It means refusing to allow chaos to dictate your inner state. Perhaps the hardest moment to remain silent is when facing injustice. Human beings naturally desire revenge when hurt unfairly. The ego wants balance restored immediately. But history shows that revenge rarely creates peace. It usually extends suffering. Nelson Mandela endured unimaginable injustice, yet he understood that hatred would eventually imprison him psychologically even after physical freedom was achieved. His restraint demonstrated a level of emotional strength that most people never develop. Silence in these moments is not surrender, it is controlled power. It is the decision to remain guided by principles instead of emotional chaos. Weak people confuse emotional intensity with strength because they have never learned the discipline required for restraint. Insults reveal something important about human psychology. Most insults are projections. People attack others through the lens of their own insecurity, frustration, jealousy, or emotional instability. The person who insults constantly is often revealing more about themselves than the person they target. Once you understand this, insults lose much of their emotional power. A man who becomes emotionally shattered by every insult places his peace in the hands of strangers. But a disciplined mind understands that another person's opinion does not define reality. This is why silence can become such a powerful response to disrespect, not because you are weak, but because you no longer feel the need to emotionally wrestle with every opinion thrown at you. As life becomes more chaotic, silence becomes more valuable. Not every thought deserves expression. Not every conflict deserves participation. Not every misunderstanding deserves correction. Some of the strongest people in the world move quietly, think deeply, and refuse to waste energy proving themselves to everyone around them. The Stoics were never teaching people to become cold or emotionless. They were teaching emotional sovereignty. They understood that inner peace is impossible for people who are constantly emotionally reacting to the world around them. Silence was not merely the absence of speech, it was evidence of inner control. And perhaps that is the real reason silence feels so powerful. In a noisy world filled with people desperate for validation, attention, and control, the quiet person becomes unforgettable. Because calmness is rare, restraint is rare, emotional discipline is rare, and rare things naturally carry power. The moment you stop reacting to everything is the moment you begin reclaiming control over your mind, your energy, and ultimately your life. If this message spoke to something deep inside you, then you already understand what most people never will. True strength is often silent. The loudest people usually seek attention, but the strongest people seek control over themselves. And once you master that control, the world can no longer manipulate your peace so easily. Write "Silence is power" in the comments if you are choosing discipline over reaction, wisdom over noise, and inner peace over chaos. And if you want more deep Stoic lessons about discipline, emotional mastery, self-respect, and mental strength, subscribe to Stoic 95 and become part of a mindset that grows stronger in silence. Until next time, protect your mind, control your emotions, and remember this: not every battle needs your voice. Some battles are won by your silence.